we will be finding the second derivative of the function e to the x squared. And whenever you have the notation like this without any parentheses, it's understood to be e to the x squared, where you do the square to the x first, and then look at that as new power, and then you have e to that power, right? So this right here is understood to be like that. But anyway, we are talking about derivative twice. Now, let's go ahead. Y prime. Look at this form. Remember, derivative of e to the something, it first repeats. So let me just write down e to the x squared. And the chain rule says we have to multiply by the derivative of the inside. Derivative of x squared is 2x. So this is pretty much it. And some people prefer, including myself, to write the 2x in front. So I will, let me just write down 2x in the front, and then e to the x squared. And now, to get the second derivative, we just differentiate the first derivative. But this is 2x times e to the x squared now. So this is the product of two functions. Be sure that we use the product rule. I will first keep the first function, namely 2x. And then I will multiply by the derivative of the second. Derivative of e to the x squared, it first repeats. So I write down e to the x squared. But the chain rule says we have to multiply by the derivative of x squared, right? The derivative inside. So we multiply by 2x. And then the product rule, we have to continue by adding the second function, which is e to the x squared times the derivative of the first function. And the first function was 2x, and the derivative of 2x is just a 2. So we multiply by 2. And now this is what we have, and we can just simplify this a little bit. 2x times 2x, we get 4x squared, and then of course, we still have the e to the x squared, and then this is plus 2e to the x squared. And for the people who would like to factor things out, I will factor it out for you guys as well. We see that we have 4 and 2, so I can factor out 2. And I think for this part is pretty much it. So I'll write down 2 parentheses and the 2x squared plus 1. And I will factor out e to the x squared and put that at the end, like that. Usually we try to put down polynomials in front of e to the whatever. So I think this is a nice result. That's all.